Brandon playing. Let's go.
White. Chicken head.
Brandon's red. I'm blue.
I'm gonna be Batman. I want to wear a Batman hat. I want to earn a Batman hat.
Get slapped.
Get
Boom.
drafted. I win.
Not yet. It's first to 3.
Bit me.
Die.
Die.
Ooh! That was a good save. You will. Yeah! Too easy. Watch this. Ooh, get the dance. Can't get me. Alright, next round.
I want to have a Batman hat. Pepper.
How? The glitch happened.
I want to be Batman. I
Well,
want to
we
be
both
blue.
died at the same time. It only counted as one.
I want to be blue.
That's unfair. Stop pressing the button. You glitched up the button. Alright, that's enough. No, we're going home.
Oh.
You want to change your hat? What is this?
I want to play. I want to change myself.
If you want to change your hat, you have to click up here. Press up there. Three, two, one, let's go.
I'm not done yet.
And you're dead. You're dead again. It's like I'm dead actually because I almost fell off. You look like that one dude from Elmo.
I gotta show you off.
That dude, the poop puppet guy. Sesame Street. Oh my god, you're so bad.
I didn't work.
Oh, 3-0. Alright, next round.
I'm a big man athlete. Volley. After I gotta kick your nut.
No, you're not. Yoink.
Let me. You jump off my head.
No, I didn't see.
Woo! You. I ride you
I
jump.
still got 3. Check me out.
Yeah, you.
Alright.
Yeah, I ride you jump.
Next one, go.
Yeah, I ride you jump.
I bet you kill me.
Here my hat.
Try to get.
Here your hat. You gotta be superhero. Hey,
You won't.
here my hat. Ah! Yay!
Just kill me. You won't.
Yeah!
And you miss. Get stepped on.
I grab your leg, Jackie.
What? Come on, you cook.
Ah!
Bad.
Kick it!
Alright, next point wins. Watch this. Yoink. Hey, that was on purpose. Okay, now we work together as a team. Let's go. Get him. Okay, this guy. Get the clone.
You're cool. Get him!
Shoot.
Shoot! Ah! Help me, Jim!
Okay, come. Get into the ring. Get him. Nice pass. Little pass, like we're playing with basketball.
Ooh!
Yoink.
Get that pass!
Go get it. Get off me. We're friends.
Nice try, James!
You get him. Go get him.
Yeah!
I'll get both of them. I'll throw someone at you. Throw someone. Here, take him.
Damn it!
Use 2 hands. One hand on the arrow keys and one hand on OMP. On OMP. That one on OMP, this one on the arrow. You're doing it the wrong way. This hand goes on arrow. This hand goes on OMP. Go.
Wait, there's two wet?
Give me an owl. Come on, get him, get him. Move out the way, I got him. Move out the way.
I got him.
Okay, I'll get this guy.
I got him bait.
I'll get this guy.
Yeah, I got him
Ooh,
bait.
slam him down. Boom.
Ready for a stab, bro?
Get back. Ooh, some.
Oh yeah, I kicked your
I
nuts.
get him. I'll try to take some. I took some.
We are a superhero.
Back up. We need our space. We need him. Okay. You get them. Pass him. Give it to him. Okay, I'll get him. Hold on, lock in.
I got four.
Get him. Yeah, we share the same point. That's the very score. That's the high score.
Wait, did I gotta kick her out?
Come on, get him out. Come on. Bench. Oh my god, you're just spinning around. You're just spinning around.
Oh yeah, Diane, you got to die.
So attack him. Stop holding the same key. You need to press OD. You need to move him around like that. See, look, you brought him down, but you also died. He's laying on his face. I'll get him.
Ah, help!
Okay, move. I'll move you out of the way. Get him. Wait, go get green. Go get green. What are you doing? Go. Look, I put it there. Let go of me. Okay, we'll get the other two. Okay, make room. I need him help. I'm gonna jump over you. Oh yeah, I'm gonna throw someone at you. I'm gonna try to throw someone at you. Okay, eat. Good. Try to get him out. Good. Now get green. No, I'll get him. Eat. Okay. Go get green. Look, I tossed you out.
Ow!
Hey, move out the way. I got him. Go get green. You're closer. Right. Yoink.
I got him.
Yoink.
I got him.
Why do I always die first?
Wait. Look at this.
6, 7.
That is not funny anymore. This is 2026. Late February.
Wait, I still have 7.
No, that's the high score. Yoink. My hat.
Hey, my hat!
You get green inside. Okay, you don't have a choice. I
I died too. Bobby! Kick it out of bed. Get out of bed, baby.
Look out. Pass him. I'll pick him up. I think you. No! I'll save you. Get him. I just love just running into you, moving your hat.
Ow!
I don't know why I just love doing that. Ayo, go get green.
I got great! Give me!
I'll go get red. No.
Here! You're great!
No, you get him. I'll get red.
Come back, Gray!
Oh,
You go-
you.
Gray, you're going to jail, please!
Green was the last stand.
Gray, you're going to jail!
Look out. See, let go of me. Let go. Get him. Oh my god, you threw me out.
Diane, come back! Diane, please, I got the you're a kid!
Can I kiss Simon?
Thank you, Diane!
Oh.
I won!
Yeah, but we're working as a team, so technically you also lost if I die.
Jay, move out of the way! Ah!
Oh my god, stop screaming. No, we're not working together anymore. Okay,
What?
We're fighting two. Free for all, go. As you know, we were friends.
Yeah.
Move up, get off me. Stop me, baby. Okay, I'll go this way, you go that way.
Jump! Time to jump to it. Get it.
You get ready.
Yeah.
Come on, you gotta save one of
Choo.
these. Get him out. What is happening? How long have I been recording for?
I get it wet.
Jump.
La
Don't-
la la.
And you're dead.
La la la.
Get off me. What are you doing? You glitched out. You glitched out. Okay, there we go. I fixed you. Don't.
I step on you, green.
Look out. Look out.
Ah!
Okay.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Watch this. Watch this. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Yoink. Ooh. And I won. Alright, let's go. You get red. You get red. What?
Ah! Demi back my partner. Demi back my partner. You okay, guys? Demi my partner.
Oh my god.
Demi my partner.
How is that?
Demi my partner. Yeet, yeet. Nice try, Diane.
Let go of the poor child.
Nice try, Diane. We're not fighting anymore.
We're not supposed to be fighting in the first place. We're friends. It's co-op. You take him. You take him. You take him.
Come back, red. Come back, red. I got Diane. I kick him. Be red. What?
Coca-Cola
Yeah. Hey, good. Guys. Hey, you got me, James.
Okay, let go. No. I'm coming. I'll bring
I
you.
fell.
What the hell? Look at me come. Whoa, great.
I did a flip.
Do a flip.
I did a flip again.
Get him. Eat him in the air. You toss him. Come on, throw him out.
I was a
Arrow keys.
I threw gray.
What keys for you? Come on, man.
Go gray.
You're fighting against him.
Go gray.
You gotta
Go
throw him
gray.
out. Come on.
Go gray. Let me help you, gray.
You're supposed to be helping me. I'm dead. Oh my god, this guy already. Oh, thank you for time.
After my baby, please come back.
Wrong one. Wrong arm. Oh my god.
After my baby, please come back. After my baby, please. Hey, why my hat still here?
Because you're still here. And why's my hat on your underwear?
What?
Underwear. I'm restarting. I don't care.
Underpants.
No more hat for anyway.
After my baby, thank you.
Hey, by the way, I need to get started. And you died. Hey, we're working together.
Bye.
What am I going?
Where am I going?
I get oh my hat. I can't.
Wow!
Get revenge.
Sticky feet.
Oh yeah, I'll kill you with.
Why not? I tried. Ow!
I beg. I'm trying to come get you. Ella, go get Go get one of them. Help. I need help. What are you doing? What up to the music? He's on top of you. I put him out. Let me help. I'm trying to pick him up. Yoink! Oh, no!
Yeah, I put a wrap for you. Hey! You naughty bad guys? Naughty. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'm a police.
Are you back?
Palida. Not Batman, I'm Batman.
You know, it was me who killed you. Was it? I don't know.
Gray!
I think.
Green
It
job.
don't matter. I'm killing both of them.
Green drop gray. Jay thought green drop gray.
What? Get out of my face.
You fell.
Silly to you up. Stop putting the volume up. Yoink. Let's do that step.
Thank you, Jay. Get out. Wait, I'm a clock? Helicopter, helicopter.
Why am I always not? I think I'm attacking too much. Maybe because you're lame, bro. Look out. What did you do?
Bum, 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 bum. Hey!
What? I got you.
Jay, where's L?
Okay, wait. Oh, okay.
Get out. We are praying. Jay, I got you.
Let go.
And where do you go?
But I'm trying to pick up one of these guys. Okay, I got two of them. You gotta get green. Gotta get green. Let go of me.
Hey!
I'm green, boy.
I'm not picking you. I'm not picking you up.
Good. He's close to you. I'll get the other guy.
Yeah! I did a flip.
How are you alive? Let go of my butt.
Hey, I got the great, mommy. Mommy. Mama. Ow! Ow!
What are we eating?
Hey, get out of my brother. You put the what? Hey, get out of my brother. I told you where to get out of my brother. I found you, Gray. Why not winning?
We have yet to beat the high school.
Yeah. We are.
Our goal is to beat the high score somehow.
Yeah.
Okay, no, then get him.
Get him.
We locking in now. We locking in.
Got the Gray. Ow!
Lock in. Go get green.
Wait, did you?
Let go. Yo, go get green. You know, I'll get him.
I get a Gray.
I threw gray at you. Close our mouth. Go get him out. I got green. Get him.
I showed giant.
4, that's gotta be a new record. No, 6 is the record.
You gotta get thick. You gotta get thick. You gotta get
That's our
thick.
goal. 10.
10 for school. 10 for class.
Look out. We're in
Jump.
the future.
Dude, what about you fly in the air? Dude, what about you fly in the air?
Give me my backpack. Ayo, go get him. Eat? Alright, so let me
Go Diane.
We're working against Cyan. Need to throw him out.
I am.
Holy, what the hell did Red just do?
What the heck?
We'll be checking out those trains.
Jay, Diane gotta kick you out.
No way, I got him. Eat. How we have enough on this point yet?
Wait, I did a flip.
No, let go. Oh my god,
Yeah, I got a trick. Look, I got a trick. Ha! Didn't catch.
I bet I catch him. Give me.
I did a flip.
I got him. Let go.
I got a trick.
You'll die.
You I got a
You'll
trick.
die.
You I got a trick.
Not another trick.
Jimmy had a good idea. Yeah, I got the red, and you get the red.
Yoink. What?
Dude, you kicked me out.
Lava pit is still actively animating by itself.
Wait,
Ow. Let go. Die if you don't let go. Let go. You need to let go.
I had a good idea.
What's your idea?
You grab all both of them, and I grab one.
Look out. Oh, it's too easy. Red. So we have to kill him for all good.
Wait, do you gotta kick her out?
Come on. I got you. I'm gonna need some help on red. So I'm gonna give it to you. Here, take it. Look out.
I'm a gorilla. Yes, I did.
You're not a good person. Stop banging your chest.
Wait, I'm gonna get red butt. Wait, I ate a red underpants. I ate a red underpants.
Catch him.
Yeah, I will. I do it in the middle finger. Middle finger dance. Middle finger. Middle finger dance. Middle finger dance. Wait, I ate a red underpants again.
Get him.
Kick.
Look out. Kill me. Nice throw.
Ow! You kicked my nut.
Throw him out. You go back. No one likes you, Gray. You're just an NPC and a dead
Where?
man.
Jay, where jump?
Get him. God, it looked like you fell asleep. Give me a hat back on. Oh, now it's gone. God, this sucks.
Yeah.
I'll turn the volume up. How do we both die? Oh no, I'm still alive. But the points won't matter. Keep passing. Get the other guy.
My hat. I need to get it in.
Oh, red. Get him. Look, I passed it to you.
Jay, kick red. Jay did it what? What?
You walked like 2 steps while standing on your head.
Yay!
Get out, look on me.
Time for a handstand. Wait, did Green Dot did a handstand? Wait, Jay! Green spin like Spider-Man. He spin like a helicopter. Helicopter! Green! Ah! What do you do? Ow! You kicked my stomach. Ow! Time to jump in the pool.
Here's the pool. Lord knows what's under the I don't know any game seems to know what's on wrestling.
I'm gonna go in and jump in the pool. Guys, he kicked me out into Island.
We're supposed to be looking at the team.
I jumped. I'm gonna do a handstand.
Well then, okay, then do a handstand. Then me do a handstand. I actually can't do a handstand. That's actually a rare occurrence.
No, I do a handstand like this. I bring both of them.
You need to let go of him. You need to let go of him or you might die. I mean, or you might fall. I got him. Shoot. Back, shoot, back.
Now you kick me.
Bring him over here. I know that kid. I know how to throw him out.
Yeah, I am back. I on him.
Look out. Wait, no.
I did a handstand.
I don't think reach 10. I'm on 6. Maybe did 6 once. Alright, who got the way?
Dude, please give me my hat.
I can't. Nope, I tried to, I guess. I'm gonna take my
Get
hat.
out! I want to try.
No way.
You want to play?
No, stop.
Gee, I gotta wait. Get
Go,
out!
go, bye, have a good day. That's
Jay.
funny, actually. Tita, go give me Tita, go give me that. Tita, can you go get that from?
Jay, I thought someone dropped me. Look, I see that white thing on there.
Damn.
Who dropped me?
I don't know. Tita is in the hallway. He's in the hallway. Thank you. I must continue.
Who dropped me?
I run out insanely laggy now. It's like all of it.
See that Alex? See you over there and do this. He got dropped by a cat.
Go get it. I'll take this one.
He grabbing me.
Oh shoot, that's how you play. Oh, we all dying.
Yeah, I fell on the pole.
We all dying.
What? Watch out! Wait, did you just jump on it? Did you just jump on the leg?
There is no toilet. What does it mean?
Get out, Tita!
Pizza. I'll get this too.
Get out!
What? Who did a boomerang?
Get out!
Down the carpet. I'm gonna put you over there. Oh, wrong way.
You were.
Stop, Ruby.
Listen.
How are we still alive? Why are you trying to play? I'm gonna try to play with no power. I have water.
Don't turn off the light. Don't turn off the light.
What is this? Look at me. Oh my goodness.
Get off the light.
No.
No! Get out, Tita.
I have no hands challenge. No hands challenge.
Ah! Did no one help me? I gotta kick someone out.
No hands challenge.
Challenge.
What's happening? What are you doing? Shut up. Go away from me. Oh my god, go away.
Go away.
I don't care. Go away. I don't care. Go away. Oh my god, can you stop taking my stuff? Stop. You have to wait until I can get my car. No, you have to wait. You have to wait.
Get out, Tita.
I know hands, still no hands challenge. Alright, back to using hands.
Now you are doing nothing.
Stop.
We're jumping.
Wait, I know a glitch. Wait. Pause. Then you retry. Look what happens.
Look at the cowboy hat.
Look at this. What is this?
Hat.
Now we really can't do no arms. No arms challenge. Let's fight. Come on. Fight. We're fighting. You don't have any arms. It does nothing. I bet again. No arms challenge.
Why we gotta do no arms?
No arms challenge.
You're not fair.
I don't have any arms either.
What about I'm gonna play soccer?
No.
You got him next. Let it.
Boom.
You wear your hat for the girl.
Major Mondani has issued taking retreat from New York City travel bans due to dangerous blizzard conditions. All non-essential vehicles are restricted. For emergency roads until 12 p.m. Vehicles are only permitted for essential emergency travel. More info on link or call 311. Oh.
Wanna go into it?
No, it's a blizzard. It's a blizzard. Wait. It's a blizzard. Wait.
What?
Like it's like a snowstorm, but way worse. You could die. You could literally die. Yeah, let's get away from the kitchen. We're way too close to the windows. No, leave the window.
Pizza.
No, there's a blizzard. You got a blizzard notification. It said a ban on not being able to leave. A blizzard. Yeah, take everything. Take essentials. Alright, that's all we need. No, leave that. Alright, let's